Hi, I'm Robert from Move Work Forward. In this video, we are going to cover how to view activity reports in Slack using Slack notifications for Bitbucket by Move Work Forward. To begin, from the repository in question, go to the repository settings using the cog in the bottom left. Then scroll down and under Add-ons, select Slack Settings. From here, go to the Activity Reports tab. Configuring the report is fairly straightforward, so click on Create Report. Then provide a suitable name. Leave the checkbox enabled to set up the configuration. Provide the channel name in Slack where you want to receive the activity reports. For this, I'm just using a test account. Then provide your Slack webhook URL. For the pull requests inactive window, you can specify the number of days a pull request must be inactive before it'll show up on the relative section of the report. Now you can specify the frequency in which you receive the report. You can receive it weekly, as in once a week, daily, as in Monday to Sunday, or select working days from Monday to Friday. If you've selected weekly, specify the day and the time in increments of 15 minutes. And if you select daily or working days, just specify the time, again in 15-minute increments. Then you can click Test. And if we pop back into Slack, we can see a test report has just come through for the past day. If we change this to weekly, and then do one more test, and now we pop back into Slack, we can see the activity report is for the past 7 days. Then just save the connection. Should you wish to change the frequency, or perhaps the pull request inactive window, you can just click on Edit, make the necessary changes, and then click Save. If you press delete, you will remove the configuration. And if you click on View Activity, you can view a sample activity report. And there you have it, a fairly simple and straightforward guide for configuring activity reports in Slack, so you can get a wealth of information regarding your repositories directly in your Slack channel. Thanks.